Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. And I just put this cart together. It's a little 3-stand cart. It's just one of those, you put the plastic pieces together. But it's got 2 bins, and then there's a drawer right here. And then it's got a bin here and a little bin here. And then some hooks that I just hooked right there. It can be placed anywhere on this one if I didn't want to. I don't think it will fit on there, but I might. It might. I don't know. But it's definitely meant to go on this one for sure. And those are the 4 little hooks that I just snapped on. You can just snap and move them around. So this is the little cart that I'm going to use in my bedroom to put some of the stuff that's next to my bed into one organizational thing. Instead of having 3 separate little areas, I'm going to create one. And so sorry, I was outside and allergies kicking pretty bad. So this is the little drawer. I'll probably make that like my calendar and journal and area, and then I can put my pens and other things right here. They have 2, one on this side and then one on this side that just snap on. I can take them on and off if I want. The handles will allow me to lift it all the way up, and probably not with stuff on it, at least not anything heavy, but it does roll really nice. It has metal casters, and so I thought that was kind of nice with the fact that this is all plastic really, so having the metal wheels, and of course they're staticky, so right now they're picking up things that Elvis needs to vacuum up today. So, but the little trays have little vent holes in them so that there's air movement. I don't know quite why, but anyways, both trays are like that. And here's are the little hooks. They just snap on, snap off kind of thing. Kind of like the clapper thing. Snap on, snap off. Voila. So anyways, so that's those. Everything comes apart really easy. Packs down all into the trays. So when I move, I don't have to have it like this. I can just really pack it all down, tape it, and then I can do it that way. I don't lose anything. It doesn't come apart. But I literally carried it from the kitchen into the bedroom after putting all my vegetables in there from the farmer's market, which is why it's dirty already. But yeah, I wheeled it to the kitchen and back. It was super easy to do, even with that big old melon on it. But I swear probably weighs more than my head. Anyways, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this one here probably my snack container. I might use some Dollar Tree baskets or something just to create a little bit more height. And then that one is just stuff that I don't use all the time, but I have it over there, so I'm just going to put it there. Hopefully this will help my like little drop zone area problem in here. So hopefully that will work. I could put some, like I said, my journaling stuff and my YouTube, the calendar I use and stuff like that in there. Some extra pens. I do need to get some more zebra pens. They are my favorite brand of pens, and they look like this, which are not focused. There. So, like I said, I put the vegetables up here, so that's why it's dirty. But these are my favorite pens, and I have to have a writing thing with it because of my dystonia. I can't hold the small pen anymore. But these are my favorite pens, so I would be putting them in there so I don't lose them, because I tend to lose a lot of those. And then suddenly I'll find a ton of them. But so I'm going to start putting those in there. I do need to get more refills. because this one's almost done. My other one is already done. So, but yeah, I hope this is going to help with the organizational situation alongside my bed area. And it's also where I'm going to be putting my TV is going to be next to my bed for right